we spot that this is a para-completion question. Our mind map, the logical train of thought here is that the energy generation costs in this location continue to climb. At this trend, soon the energy generation costs would be this much. The domestic consumer is insulated from such hikes because the government is committed to keeping the prices below a certain amount through subsidies. That means even when the generation costs are higher for the consumers, they cannot go beyond a certain value because of these subsidies. And then we see a contrast trigger here, suggesting that the consumers will still feel the effects of these hikes because of a certain reason that needs to come in here and duly complete the paragraph. So we processed the information presented in the argument and we can estimate the likely closure of the argument. Our estimate is that the argument needs to close with some negative news about the consumers because of these increasing energy generation costs. Therefore, our broad expectation from the correct answer choice is on the lines of some negative result of the increasing cost of energy generation. The groundwork takes some time, but once it is done and our broad expectation from the correct answer choice is clear, the para-completion questions are amongst the easiest to solve. Answer choice A talks about a negative result, but this result is not of the hikes. Rather, this result is of the increased consumption. Therefore, this answer choice does not match our broad expectation from the correct answer choice. Incorrect. Answer choice B talks about something positive. We are absolutely clear that we need something negative to end the paragraph, so choice B can just not be correct. Answer choice C is convoluted in that it simply talks about significant shifts in the economy. We don't know whether these shifts would be positive or negative, and this feels like a random statement. This does not logically flow from the rest of the paragraph here. Incorrect. Answer choice E delves into what is the reason for the climbing energy generation costs. We are not expecting the concluding statement to be about the reason of the shortages. Rather, we are expecting a statement that talks about some negative result of this hike. Incorrect. Answer choice D gives a negative result of the higher energy generation costs, suggesting that such high costs will drive up manufacturing costs and this would lead to increased prices of consumer goods. Therefore, indirectly, the domestic consumers will still feel the effects of these hikes. Therefore, answer choice D duly meets our broad expectation from the correct answer choice by logically completing the argument and flowing from the entire paragraph. D is the correct answer choice.